she plans to keep. Laptop open, music low. She starts the day, she takes it slow. Every click, every frame, she's building more than yeah. City lights, slow nights. This is her story. Morning light through the window pane. Phone alarm calling out her name. Another day, but it feels brand new. So many dreams she's pushing through. Coffee warm, thoughts run deep. Promises she plans to keep. Laptop open, music low. She starts the day, she takes it slow. Every click, every frame, she's building more than just a name. In between the work and play, she finds herself along the way. Press record, let the moment live. Showing all the love she gives. From the screen, a real life moments. Simple days, golden photos.
Good morning mga ka-YT, shout out to everyone. Shout out sa mga team Imbit TV, team Angging P Vlog. At ako'y nandito ngayon sa park. Ayan. Yung paikot-ikot. Hindi pala paikot-ikot. Sali-salisi or hagdan-hagdan na daan. Ay, hindi naman siya totally hagdan. Ano ba tawag dito? Tamang term. Ayan. So, ikot muna ako dito. Habang may nagpa-practice ng yung mga choir nandoon. So, kasi may misa ngayon dito. Although, hindi muna tayo papasok ng simbahan ngayon dito kasi may simbahan naman akong ibang pinupuntahan. Andyan sila. At hindi po talaga ako pupunta ng church ngayon muna dahil kailangan ko mag-box. Gusto ko nang i-dispose yung gamit ko doon. Ganda oh. Hitik na hitik siya. Ayan. Oh, actually, nag-i-start na po silang mag-display ng flower dito. Ayan. Ano kayang meron? Oh, ang cute ng flower. Pag bumuelta naman akong ganon, check. Ayan o, ang taas nga lang. Itik siya sa bulaklak. Okay. Diretso na. At meron ditong parang stage. Ito yung isang way pataas ng simbahan. Hagdan din yan. At ang cherry blossom, ito po, wala na. Ano na yung dahon nila. So, ito ang kaganapan ngayon. Wala tayong display na marami. Oh. Although may umpisa na po dito. Ano to? Lotus. Ito yung gilid niya. Ayan. Dala ko na kasi yung aking bag dahil diretso na po ako ng wedding house. Nag-start na po sila. Ito pa lang ang unang. Ayun. Actually, ano na? 9:45. So,
soft pastels, denim dreams, fashion
Yan daw.
tells a mood today. Confidence in every shade. Email sent, deadlines tight. Still she keeps her heart light, balancing it all. Somehow she makes it work. She knows how. In a rhythm, in a pace, she leaves beauty in every space. Work and passion intertwined, living on her own design. And her story hard to see. Every word is clear. You took nights editing, quiet wins we're celebrating. This is who she is, not a victim. Late night thoughts, city hum. Dreams are loud, but she stays calm. No rush, no race to run. She's already becoming someone.
ito pa lang guys, ang ano,
She's
Ayun.
glowing in the sun.
inumpisahan pa lang nila. Apakan to. Ayan. Tumutunog-tunog.
Finding
So,
peace and balance.
wala pang bulaklak ng
Come
iba.
scrolling, hearts alive. Little moments shared online.
Dahil
Not for fame, not for the noise. Just her
init.
truth, just her
Ito
voice.
ang
Every
kanilang
step,
ano,
every try, learning as the days go
sample.
by. Daily life, no filter on. She's enough, just carrying on. If
buto
tomorrow
pala
feels
yan,
unsure,
malaki.
she knows her heart is strong and pure. No
Malaki
spotlight
pala ang
needed
buto
to
niya.
shine.
So,
She's already right on time.
ito po ang kabuuan niya.
Something strong, real unhealthy, living freely in her time. From her work to what she wears, to the love she always shares. This is who she is.
Guys, medyo malikot.
When they become pain.
Init. Ito masyado. Ito po yung kabuuan niya. Ayan. Ayan pala. Oh.
Clear days, gentle nights, still she dreams, still she writes. One more frame, one more clip. This is life.
So,
Man, every
nag-start pa lang sila mag ano rito. Or, hindi ko rin alam kung may idadagdag pa sila dyan. Actually, nung last Sunday po, April 25, yan, birthday ko, is nandito rin ako. Wala pa yan. Wala pa tong Lotus na to.
Every click, every frame, she's building more than just a name. In between the work and play, she finds herself along the way.
Wala pa to. Ngayon pa lang po.
Press record, let the moment live. Showing all the love she gives. From the screen to real life moments, simple days, golden focus. This is who she is, not every dumbbell. Mirror check, outfit clean, soft pastels, denim dreams, fashion tells a mood today. Confidence in every shade. Email sent, deadlines tight. Still she keeps her heart light, balancing it all. Somehow she makes it work. She knows how. In a rhythm, in a pace, she leaves beauty in every space. Work and passion intertwined, living on her own design. And her story hard to see. Every word is clear. You took nights editing, quiet wins we're celebrating. This is who she is, not a victim. becoming someone. She's glowing in the silence. Finding peace and balance. Come on, scrolling, hearts align. Little moments shared online. Not for fame, not for the noise. Just her truth, just her voice. Every step, every try. Learning as the days go by. Daily life, no filter on. She's enough, just carrying on. If tomorrow feels unsure, she knows her heart is strong and pure. No spotlight needed to shine. She's already right on time.
Good morning mga ka-Whitey World. So, dumaan muna ako dito sa park. So, nung Sunday, is nandito po ako. Wala pa yan. So, ngayon, yung bago ako pumunta sa church noon, nag-celebrate ako ng birthday last April 26. Wala pa to. So, ngayon, May 3 ay na-surprise naman ako kasi may lotus na. Actually, yan pala. So, yung iba po ay wala pa. Ayan, no? At yung cherry blossom doon ay wala na pong flower. So, ayan. At naumpisahan ko na. Oh, so, ito po yung kanilang display. So, yung iba ay wala pa talagang flowers. Ayan. Piling flowers bloom. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Lotus lady. Thank you for watching.